Hi guys! Maulan na morning dito sa Taiwan, Taichung, Taiwan. So hindi makalabas dahil maulan. It's raining. So ito yung labas ng bahay namin. It's raining. It's raining time. Di ako makalabas. Hallelujah. It's raining time. So yan, daming puno sa labas, daming halaman. Di ako makalabas guys. Magtapon sana ako ng basura. But okay. Have a nice day.